Can the 2006 DSLR camera can compete in today's camera like a mirrorless? Hello guys, so today's vlog we have a DSLR camera from 2006, the Pentax K10. So with 10 megapixel CCD sensor, APS-C. So today's vlog, I'm gonna shoot, I will try this camera and let's see if still worth to buy in 2024. So guys, this Pentax K10D was announced on September 13 of 2006 and released in the mid-November of 2006 with 10.2 megapixel and you have a Pentax KF mount, also the KFF2, KA, KAF, and KA mount lenses fully compatible. So this CCD with a primary colors filter and again, it's a 2006 and APS-C. So let's try to take some sample photos with this camera and using also the vintage lens from Pentax, which is the Pentax 50 millimeter f1.7. Yes, guys. So this is from the film K1000. So this is a K1000 lens, and we'll put in the DSLR camera, which K10. So let's try to take some samples and see if this still worth to buy in 2024. Wala live yun eh. Live.
Chicken chettina, chicken korma, butter chicken, masala chicken kadai.
So again, guys, the Pentax K10D from 2006, I think this is very fun to use. So especially if you are more in like if you want to have a everyday camera DSLR. So if you want to experience again the DSLR era, if you love the hand gripping of the DSLR, the ergonomics using the DSLR, and I think and the colors. Again, guys, this is CCD sensor, 10 megapixel, and yeah, it's fun to use and I love to shoot nowadays I love to shoot a 10 megapixel CCD camera. I have the Fujifilm S2 Pro and S5 Pro and I'm happy with that. And now I have again from my collection which is full Pentax K10. Shout out to sir, the one who gave me this camera. Thank you sir for the camera. And ayan. So, I think it's fun and if you can take a good price or a better price for the K10 Pentax, I think it's good to buy in 2024. So, if you want to take some photos with your friends and families and yeah, for fun, I think this is the best camera to have. I think first because it's more cheaper, you can buy in online with a good condition and ayan, also the lens, you have a K-mount lens. I think still available in the market. So, and guys, it's fun to use this 2006 model of camera. So, and guys, I show you already the photos that I took on this camera. Actually, this is my second day that I have this camera. So, and guys, so I think that is for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check this camera, then give it a try. And it's fun and it's happy to use this. Okay, then I will use it more. So, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of all DSLR we have here in AB World, you can go to our AB World Marketplace. Still, we have some DSLR camera there used, of course, from 5D Mark IV to Nikon body. You can check to our AB World Marketplace. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, thank you, shout out to sir who gave me this Pentax K10. Thank you, sir, for the Pentax K10. I will take care of this camera. Again, sir, thank you for the Pentax K10. Mabuhay.